How to lock Facebook profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to lock Facebook profile. If you want to lock your Facebook profile, here are the steps. First of all, you need to update your application. Go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Facebook, and instead of open, if you see update, which you'll need to update the application. So click on the open button after updating the application, log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So right on this page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon. It's going to direct you to the profile page. So here you can see these are the statements. So in order to lock your profile, go to three-dot icon. Over here, you'll be directed to profile settings. Once you're on the profile settings page, scroll down a bit, go to lock profile. So if you want to lock your profile, go ahead and tap on lock your profile. As soon as you've done that, you can see that the profile has been locked and only the people on your friend list will be able to see your profile picture. Apart from it, they'll have to send a friend request. Only then they'll be able to see your profile and all your information. So in this way, you can lock your Facebook profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.